Hello friends, you're welcome to the 12th ascendant for the monthly prediction for the month of January, the pieces. So over here we will going to understand how you will be able to fulfill your ambitions during the month of January. So, and how you will be interacting and how it will be with your children's, because generally the Jupiter got exalted in your fifth position, your intelligence, your love, your children's. So at that time how it will be going to behave. At the same time how it will be your relationship with the Venus or with the female gender. Because most of the time for the pieces the female gender will create a much more problem in their life, and the Mercury that will be belongs to your home, that will be belongs to your emotional. So how you will be going to tackle or understand your emotional disturbance and your material life or your marriage life, that is very important in the month of January. So with that, if you see that Jupiter is into your 12th house, that is a Lord. So 12th house is also represent the house for the God, because the 9th house belongs to the God and 12th house is belongs to the Lord of the God house, and your ascendant is also belongs to the God house. So you will be got the chance to visit some of the ocean places, some of the places where more water will be there, the lake during that area. And the first Lord is sitting into the 12th. You will be get the chance to for the foreign countries, you will get the chance for other area. Meanwhile you will have to take care about your health itself, because Jupiter is into Karak Bhav Nashak Sthiti, and the Jupiter is aspecting the 12th house is also represent the hidden enemies also. So that you will need to be take care. And as the Sun, that is a friend of your chart, Jupiter, it is sitting into your Karma Kshetra, and the Venus is also sitting in the retro condition. So from till 19th of December to 26th, you will be get to chance to more of the visits area due to the Karma Kshetra also, during the 10th house also. And at the same time that you will be got the Digbal, you will be got a great strength in your 10th house, as Saturn is sitting on your 11th house, that is a house of a gain. And over here you will be like isolated because of your friends and family. Most of the time the friends and family will take advantage of you, and that's why the Saturn is there. So most of the time the you have to be remain into a reserve nature, and Saturn is 1 2 3 is looking after your Lagna on your first house, and the Saturn is also 10th on your 8th house for the sudden changes or sudden bankruptcy or sudden money investment. So that you need to be take care. And for you the Venus is the worst for you, because it is a lord of your 3rd house and the 8th house. Both are the Dusthana or the Dusthana for you. So this the Venus will create a much more problem in your life. The Mars, that is a lord of your second house, as well as for your 9th house, it will give you the travel. It is sitting in his own room, so you will have some journey for yourself, for a short journey, for short duration journey bring for you, as well as involve you, as the Mars is looking to the 4th position to the Jupiter. So you will be more like inclined toward spiritualism, because the Mars is with the Ketu. So Ketu will give you the more spirituality. Ketu will give you the understanding towards yourself, as Ketu and Jupiter are very good friend of each other. So it will be, you can consider on spirituality, the Jupiter, the Ketu is a squaring, the Ketu is squaring the power of Jupiter in spirituality. So the Ketu is in your 9th house, it will be more inclined you towards your religion. So with that position we will try to understand with the position of the moon also. The moon will be first or second, it will be in your 10th house. So that day we will be busy with your work, you will be more inclined to your work, you will get a meeting with the senior people in your workplace, and you will be get recognized during that time period. 3rd and 4th, the moon will be in your 11th house. So you have to gain something, you have to put the more efforts for gaining something. Might be possible you will do some expenditure. Friends and families will try to, like especially from friends and elder siblings, you will get a little bit detachment. 4 and 5th of December, moon will be in your 12th house. You will be enjoying with yourself, with your children, and you will be inclined toward your children. You need to be worried about your children health also, and it might be possible that you have to visit the hospital at that time. 7, 8 and 9, your moon will be in your first house. So that day you will be work on your appearance, you will have a sudden gain of money, and as well as you will travel some of the places where the water is there. Also need to take care of your health through cold. 10, 11, the moon will be in your second house, so that you will be spend some time for the family, fruits, friends, as well as about your speeches, about your talking. So for you will be speak very very fastly, because the Mars is sitting into your second house. So if you are a Pisces ascendant and you are communicating very fastly in your life, then you have to check out about the Mars position in your birth chart. For 12, 13, 14, it will be in your second, third house. So over here you can see the Rahu and Ketu is there. So there is a Kalp Sarp Yoga is in the month of January. So for that, if you will perform some of the activities of like a Rudra Abhishek or something, then it will be good for you or this day particularly you have to put the more efforts for yourself. Otherwise you will be going to have a more expenditure on this day, because Rahu is the lord of 11th house also, and you will be going, and 11th house Jupiter is there. So at that time you will be having a more expensive day for you, for your spouse, because Rahu is aspecting the 7th house also. 15th and 16th, the moon will be in your 4th house. Over here you will be inclined toward your home. You will be resting yourself in your home, and you will be planning to you will plan over there to spend some time with your mother, and technically with because communicating with people or your friends. 17th, 18th and 19th, it is you will spend your time with your children. So on that day you will spend the time with your children. You will try to teach them the discipline. You will try to make them to learn something new at this particular time, and with your loved ones you can spend this particular time. 2021, this time you have to take care of your health, as well as the 12th sign is represented for the hospital, and if you related to any pharmaceutical, so over here you will be work toward that. More little bit restless because of the 6th position, and the sun is already on your friend's house from here to be 6th, so you will be working in that direction. For 22 and 23, the moon will be in your 7th house. So at that time it will be give you the interacting with your spouse, some argument with the spouse also, and because the Mercury is going to be in the retro during the 14th of January to 4th of February, so you will be more towards your spouse, the partnerships, and some of the small travel will be there for you. And regarding your work, what the business you are doing it. 24th and 25th, the moon will be in your 8th house, so you will be work towards your health, and you will be more engaged towards yourself for the materialistic life, as well as you will be try to gain the benefit from the female genders basically at your workplace. 26th 27th, you will be the moon will be there in your 9th house, so that will be your lucky day. You will try to get the more luck, more spiritualism, and engage yourself into the more knowledge about the depth of the universe. 28 and 29, the moon will be in your 10th house. You will be engaged at your workplace, and during that workplace you need to be take care of the health of your mentors and yourself, and especially for your parents. 31st, the moon will be in the 10th house. So on that day you will be little bit emotional movement will be there for you, or some emotions overcome will be there, that you have to try to be overcome. And that day you can donate some grains to either to the ant or other things, so that will make you, or you can give foods to the fish also, so that will give you a more peaceful day. So with that, today we are before moving to ahead for the health and education other area, I'll just request you to share, subscribe it and share it with the other people also, so that they will also plan according to the transition of this planet in their life. Now for the health, if you will see that you need to take care of your health. For education, you will have to travel for your education, and you will be going to do some small up and down. If you're going to be a very emotional, then it's a better you will go for the discipline. If you go discipline, then you will do a miracle in your education. For the marriage also, it is a little bit disturbance, isolation will be there, but for that you have to work for this one to make your marriage life more comfortable. For love, for if you're loving someone, then it will be good time for your loving someone. For your children's, you will be involved children's to giving them the new education and understanding with the new knowledge. If you are planning to buy the house, so this is, at least you will get, this is not a very good time, but you can go ahead and you can try to purchase some house. If you want to sell house, then it is also a good time. In your job also, you will be because the Digbal of sun is very good over there till 14th of January. So you will be get recognized in your job. In your business also, you will do the investment for the long term investment, and you try to get the things. Definitely the Rahu Ketu nodes are there, that will directly impacting your job and your health and electromagnetic waves. So for that, it is better you will do the meditation for yourself. At workplace, if you do the meditation, that will be more beneficial for you. And if you are working in a stock market, so for the stock market, you will do the investment. It will be better for you for the long term. Otherwise, the Jupiter will going to give you some other money losses for you, so that you need to be take care. With that, we are stopping for the Pisces ascendant. Please take care of yourself and your family, and be happy and healthy. Jai Shri Ram.